How to connect Apple CarPlay in the 4th generation Mitsubishi Outlander. So as you can see, in front of us is a Mitsubishi Outlander with an infotainment system that is also known from Nissan cars. What's nice about this system is that it's very easy to connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto here, because the system itself is obviously not the latest generation and works with a slight delay. The colors aren't the best either, so what we need to do is connect Apple CarPlay as quickly as possible. So let's start from the home screen. At the back, we click on the settings icon. Through the settings, we click here on Connections. We click Add Device here and then move on to our phone. On our phone, in my case an iPhone, we need to go to the settings. Here, from the settings, we select Bluetooth. We need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and scroll to find Mitsubishi. We click on Mitsubishi. As we can see, this number matches that number, so we're pairing the correct devices. We click Pair. We tap Allow to accept the connection for our contacts. And now our phone is connected. We still need to confirm here that we want to use Apple CarPlay. We click here, it's also on the screen, and at this point we can put our phone aside and just move to our display. As we can see, Apple CarPlay turns on immediately. It's really great that we can connect it wirelessly so easily. Here we can use Maps, Apple Maps, Google Maps. We also have access, of course, to Spotify, Telegram, WhatsApp and YouTube. This is really useful on longer trips. We can also go to the settings. Here, for example, we can set the drive in focus settings, which can be active. We can change the wallpaper, we can mute the phone. There are really a lot of cool, useful features that we can use here. What's also nice is that we can easily switch to Mitsubishi infotainment by clicking on Mitsubishi. And at that moment, we're using our Mitsubishi system. If we want to completely unpair our mobile device and remove it entirely so it no longer uses Apple CarPlay, we first need to navigate over to the settings menu. Once there, we click right here on the connections option, and as we can clearly see on the screen, we can simply click on this specific icon and then proceed to click delete. And at this exact point in time, our car system completely forgets that there was ever such a thing as a wireless connection with our phone. That is absolutely all for today's tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.